Good morning! Today is Thursday and the sun is shining brightly. Okay, so here is my early morning. Nagdilig na ako. I water my plants and this is one of my favorites in my garden, in my backyard. The blue tea. The blue ternato. Yan. And so beautiful, right? So we can pick up some few blossom to make a tea. So that this plant is greeting me, making my morning very beautiful. Look at that. Look at the flower. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Bakit it's not naman now? Beautiful. And I'm at the other side of my backyard. I want to show you yung this is the fruit. And it will eventually became the seed. This is my what you call this, Indian tree, curry tree. This is the curry tree. Look at that. So it looks like a berry, berry. See, can you see that? Yung kanyang yung fruit niya. May fruit pala itong curry tree. Ayan, I opened this one and it really looked like a berry. Parang grapes with seed na malaki and then ripe na yung loob niya. Ang mabango siya eh. So, this is the curry tree. You remember my curry tree? We're making tea out of this. Ayan, meron siya eh. So, we can use this for propagation. Ayan siya. So, ito yung na-squeeze ko. I squeeze one fruit of the curry tree. Ito yung nakuha ko. Ayan, so, can't propagate this. Siguro, dyan lang siya. Ayan, dyan lang siya. At mabubuhay siya. I'm sure of it. So, that's the curry tree. I want to show you ang flower ng calamansi. Ito, ang ganda, flower ng calamansi yan. So, this tree of calamansi, this calamansi tree, napakasipag magbunga. Ayan, sa isang taon, I don't know, 4 times yata ako binibigyan nito ng, look at that, calamansi flower. So, ayan, meron pang mga existing na bunga, meron pang existing na fruit, kundi yung calamansi fruit na yan. Ayan, meron pa siyang existing na bunga, pero may yung flowers niya continue. Ang ganda, diba? Ay, naku. And you know what? Napakabango ng flower na to. So fragrant. Ang bango niya talaga. Yan. Calamansi flowers. You see that? Calamansi. Daming calamansi na naman yan. Ayan, And look at the ground. Ayan, Hey. Oh, it's so madilim. Ayan si B. Ayan si B. Oh. Can you see B? Ayan ang ating, ayan. Ganda talaga ng flowers ng calamansi flower. Ayan si Mr. B. Ayan, ang daming bees. Ang daming bees. There you are, Mr. Beast. ng kalamansi. Kasi, ang dami na pong bunga ng aking kalamansi tree. So, nangunguha tayo para gagawin kong pamasko sa aking dadalawin na kapatid. So, ang dami na po kasi talaga yan. Ayan, no? Itik na itik sa bunga. Kaya, ating babawasan. At makakatulong pa tayo sa nangangailangan. Harvesting calamansi. See? It's so beautiful. Tignan mo, kuhanan mo dito si Ihas na nangyayaalam. Lagi pong ano yan, kasama sa mga gawain. Ayan. Asan na, Has? Assistant, Has? Has? Where are you? Ang dami po talaga. Hindi ko na magawa, makakagam pa ng lahat. See that? Ay, enough na. Pagod na ako manguha eh. Ito, tingnan nyo yung mga nakuha ko. Dami ha, no? Kalahating supot. Ito rin, no? Papasok ko na rin to sa supot eh. Salin mo na po to. Salin mo tong pakialamero. Ito, oh. Oh, what's that, ha? You get some? Oh, yan. Laging assistant yan eh. Okay, let's go.